prosperity, beyond to all who's listening and watching. It's your girl Shay Miller Wright, and I'm back with another video. Guys, you have to reinvest in yourself. You have to refocus your vision. You have to sometimes take a step back, and if the vision that you have for your life ain't working, maybe you need to rework your plan. Maybe you need to re-strategize, remake some decisions, sit down and really analyze what is working and what's not. It's not necessarily your dreams. It's not necessarily your goals. They are not impossible. The problem is that you are focusing on the wrong thing. It's not the goal. It's not the dream. And it's not the destination. It's the things that you don't know, or the things that you're not learning, or the things you haven't invested in to get yourself there. What are you not doing so that you can be where you want to be? What are you not thinking about that can get you there, right? Who is not in the connections? You're either lacking information, access to people, or you're just not learning enough for you to get where you want to be. You have to constantly be somebody who wants to learn if you want to be successful. And if you want to be successful people learn. They grow. They become better. They're constantly feeding their minds every single day. They don't waste time. You have to focus on revisualizing your vision. Re-strategize, reinvest, relaunch, redo it, restart again. It doesn't matter how it's ended up for the last 7, 5, 4, 3, 1 year. It matters how you end up this year, how you end up in the next few months or this month. It matters what you do right now. Because the more we dwell on what has not happened, the longer we are delaying ourselves for what it is that it could be, right? We need to focus more on the now. So what are you doing now to make sure that your life is the reality of what you want? Are you reading more books? Are you investing in more courses? Are you expanding and excelling in knowledge? And I don't just mean knowing things. I mean applied knowledge, because knowledge is only power when it's applied. Are you utilizing the information that you're gaining? And how is that working for you? Because if it works for you, it can work for somebody else, right? Because when you get free from it, you can free others from it too. So reinvest, rethink, re-strategize, continue to do it, be committed, stay consistent, because it's going to work out in the long run. But you have to find the right solution for your own problems first.